Hi there, I'm Risa with Musicians Edition. And if you haven't noticed, our flute line is getting a little bit bigger, which is nice. But now you might find yourself wondering, which flute is right for me? So I want to go over our 3 flutes and which one might be better for you. It's really simple, really. So let's start off with the Musicians Edition Hero Flute. It has the curved head joint like this, and it really is just 2 pieces. It doesn't have a foot joint. Now, who is this flute good for? This flute is perfect for our younger students. And when I'm talking younger students, I'm talking ages 4 to 8. They have a hard time reaching the full length of the flute, so the curved head joint helps bring the flute in towards them. This flute is also helpful to those who are older and may kind of be struggling with arthritis. Same thing. You're not reaching out as far. It's nice close to your body. You're not lifting as much. Very nice and comfortable. All right. And this flute still sounds really decent. It still sounds really good. I'm going to just play a scale for us. Just, that way no one's listening to my skill set and intonation, because I've had that before. I'm just trying to show you what the flute sounds like. So I'm just going to play a scale. All right, so it sounds just like a regular flute, feels good, has good response. The next flute we have in line is the Musicians Edition Student Flute in white copper. Now, all of our flutes are for students. None of them are intermediate or professional flutes. They're all for student flutes. Now, this flute is great for an adult learner and someone who's kind of more just playing for fun as a hobby in their room, that kind of thing, okay? This flute still sounds great. It's easy to play. It's our budget-friendly flute. And then I'll tell you why later, I guess, why this one's more for like the adults versus our SD flute. Then we have the SD flute, which is a best option for middle school students, possibly even high school students. High school students kind of mix in between the two. Or someone who wants to play, they're going to play a little bit more than just someone in their room playing for here and there. Maybe someone who wants to join the community band with a student flute. Now let's figure out, why is this one made more for middle schoolers versus the white copper flute? Because there is a price difference. So we had noticed that there's a lot of folks out there who are wanting to just play for fun, but flutes have gotten really expensive and it kind of prices them out. So what we did is we have the flute in white copper, and this flute, we'll go back to that flute. Our white copper is made out of a blend of materials, or metals, I should say more so. It's made out of a blend of metals, and the metal is a little bit softer on this flute, the white copper flute. So it's once again great for adults and just for funsy students, because it still holds up. I've been playing this flute, this same exact flute, for the past 3 years on all our videos here and anytime I'm teaching with our students, because I was trying to see, check out its limitations, where it's at. And this flute does hold up. But what we've learned over this time is with middle schoolers particularly, not that they're intentionally doing anything bad, but they don't really realize they have a death grip when they're putting their flute together, and they end up mashing some of these keys down here, and with the softer metal, can't really withstand the grip of a middle school student, and some of these keys get bent. What that means is when the key gets bent, the flute doesn't seal. So then they're having problems playing. So that's it. But if you're an adult student who's a lot more gentle and understands that the flute, has its limitations, it's just because it's metal doesn't mean that it can take hardcore beatings, right? And you can still play this flute for a decent amount of time and it'll still hold up. Like I said, I've been playing it for 3 years, haven't had any issues. But let me play it for you so you can hear it too. Once again, just a scale. It still sounds really good, still resonates really well. I love the responsiveness on the white copper flute. Let's go back to the SD flute. All right, back to the SD flute. Why is it SD? Standard metal. And by what I mean by standard metal is that this is the silver plated flute. It's made out of the same materials as like your Yamahas and all your big brand names. We're not a big brand name. We're trying to be budget friendly. Okay, but that means this flute holds up a lot better with the wrath of a middle schooler. But please try to teach your middle school students not to still have the death grip. We still want to treat our flutes very nicely. But this flute holds up better to the middle school grip. And if you're playing a lot more, this flute's gonna hold up a little bit better and longer as well. It is a little heftier, feels more like a regular standard flute. That flute, white copper flute, is a little lighter. This one is a little bit heavier, but it still sounds great, plays great, has great responsiveness. So let's take a listen to this one. I don't know if you can hear that on the camera, and it's always hard, especially with I'm using a lapel mic here. This flute also does resonate a little bit louder, so it's better when you are trying to join a marching band is fine, or like a community band. This flute projects a little bit better as well, but it is a little bit pricier, so if you're just a person playing for funsies on a really tight budget, you might want to go with the white copper flute. All options of flutes are great. We do have warranties with our flutes. We stand by our flutes. And now here's a big question that we get asked a lot. Repairs. All right, I'm gonna be honest with you, the flutes are repairable if something goes wrong, but not every shop will take a look at it. All right, usually more specialty shops, like ones that only repair flutes, they normally stick to the big brand names. Once again, we're the little guy. We're not a big brand name, so they won't repair your flutes. But if you need one repaired, a lot of your general band repair shops will fix these flutes. Definitely call ahead before bringing your flute in to save you time and money. So call ahead, make sure they'll repair any flute. And if you need help finding a repair shop, we've got a list of some repair shops that'll help fix your flute. So there you have it. You got the Hero for the kids and those with arthritis and pain. You got the white copper for those who are gentler on the flute and playing more for fun and hobby. And we got the SD flute for middle schoolers, high schoolers, and those who are playing a little bit more seriously but are still in the student category. If you have any questions, always feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to answer any of your questions. All right, thank you.